Hi friends, welcome to Social Studies with Ms. Shin today. Let's start by going over our learning intentions. Today, we are learning to examine physical characteristics of our community so that we can understand the world around us. We will be successful when we can list and describe physical characteristics found in our community. Hi friends, welcome to Social Studies with Ms. Shin. Let's start by going over our learning intentions. Today, we are learning to examine physical characteristics of our community so that we can understand the world around us. We will be successful when we can list and describe physical characteristics found in our community. Okay, friends, so in your previous lessons with Miss Jackson, you learned 2 vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word that you talked a lot about was physical features map. A physical features map is a map which shows locations of important natural features like rivers, lakes, mountains, and oceans. You also learned about political features maps. A political features map is a map which shows land divided into areas with borders or important cities, states, countries, counties, and capital cities. On this slide, you can see that there is an example of a physical features map and a political features map. What types of things do you see on the physical features map? That's right. You can see bodies of water. You can see where the mountains are. You can see areas where there are rivers and lakes. Okay, so you can see all those physical things on the map. What types of things do you see on the political features map? Yeah, on this political features maps, we can see the boundaries of things like states. We can see the boundary of our country. Okay. Today, we're going to be looking at a map of Topeka. Can you tell me if this map is a physical map or a political map? Yeah, in this map, I can see that there are physical things like rivers and lakes. Okay, I can also see the land. It's pretty flat. We live in Kansas, so most of our land is flat. I can tell that there are a few hills. I can see lakes, and I can see those types of things. So it's safe to say that we are looking at a physical features map. I can also see names of cities and areas around, but there's not really boundaries to tell me where the city stops and ends. So here's the city of Topeka, but I can also see Tecumseh, Grantville, Silver Lake, but I don't really know where those places begin and end. I can also see all these lines. Those are streets and highways that go through Topeka. Okay, so those aren't really natural features that happen naturally, but they are features of our city. All right. So we talked about some of the physical features that we saw in Topeka. We saw Shawnee Lake. We also saw the Kansas River that went through Topeka and into some of the surrounding areas. Right now, we're going to watch a short video of some other features that we might see in Topeka. These aren't necessarily natural occurring features, but they are features that let us know that we are in Topeka, Kansas. Ready? Okay. So here we have the Capitol building. Here is Gage Park. We're looking at the Rose Garden. A lot of these in there. There's a picture of Shawnee Lake. located on the east side of town. This is a picture of the Kansas Museum of History. So we go to learn about the history of Kansas. This is the Commerce Board of Education building. Ford Meade Park. The Topeka Zoo. You might see those and other things. The Combat Air Museum. Ed Inslee Gardens that are located at Lake Shawnee. First Presbyterian Church at Topeka. Museum of the Kansas National Guard. Okay, friends, so we just watched a short video clip of some of the places in Topeka, Kansas that make Topeka, Topeka. So I would like to talk a little bit more about a few of those places. One of the places that we saw was the State Capitol building. Now, the State Capitol building is not a naturally occurring physical feature, but it is a feature of Topeka. This is a place where people work and laws are made. The Kansas River, this is a natural feature of Topeka, and it is a body of water that flows through Topeka and the surrounding cities and towns. Okay, friends, this is a picture of the Rose Garden. The Rose Garden is a place located in Gage Park. It's not really a natural feature because someone had to plant the flowers there, but they grow year after year, and it is a beautiful place that lots of people love to visit. The last place I would like to talk about is Lake Shawnee. Lake Shawnee is a natural physical feature of Topeka. It's located on the east side of town, and it's a place where people enjoy picnicking and swimming and fishing and boating. How many of you have ever visited Lake Shawnee? I bet there's been a lot of you. Okay, friends. So in today's Seesaw assignment, you are going to look at the physical feature of Topeka, and you're going to drag and drop the correct description of each physical feature. When you're done, don't forget to click the check. All right, friends, I will see you next time. Bye.